Alright, what's up YouTube fam? It's been a few weeks since I've posted, but I'm back on my routine. So all year long, I've been talking about, you know, living your best life, or like this soft girl era that we all wanted to be in 2024. And just like sharing some of my favorite products. And let me pause. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Nicole. I'm trying to like figure out this channel. I started out with home DIY projects, and now I'm just kind of doing all like lifestyle, self-care. Like I'm really big on just living a beautiful life. Like I started with my space because where I live is so important to me. So just making sure it's clean, making sure it's cute. So I will get back to that type of content if you initially subscribe for that. But also just how I take care of my hair, my skin, my nails, because 2023, if you haven't seen any of my videos this year, 2023 was so stressful, so hard. Probably the hardest year of my life. Lots of transitions, lots of change. And you know, I'm just learning how to cope with stress, deal with stress. And that's kind of what I've been sharing this year. So we're in the second quarter, it's April, and I think I'm doing pretty good, but I still want to like give y'all some updates on some of the things I kind of talked about, like my skin, for example. That's what we're gonna get into in this video. But if you want to live a beautiful life, subscribe to my channel. Mostly for my ladies, but my guys can kind of take some notes from some of the things I share too. But I did a video on this earlier this year, this product, as you can see in the beginning of the video. These little Dr. Wellness Vitamin E Serum capsules. If I can find the footage, I will insert a clip from when I originally did the video on these. Because my skin has been going crazy, y'all, for, I don't know, all year. And I think I realized that it could be hormonal. It could be a shift in like, you know, birth control and stuff like that. That's a whole nother video. But my skin was going crazy. So I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna give a review for the people who didn't see the initial one, or just a little bit of an update on, you know, been using this for about 3 months now, and it's just kind of how I feel about them now. But I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all my skin. So this one, this side of my face is a lot better than before. I'm gonna get close. Y'all see that? I'm gonna show y'all, hopefully I can find a side by side, but if y'all see a little stash, don't worry. I have another video I'm gonna share with y'all on how I can easily get rid of that without having to go get waxed all the time. But this side has been my problem side. So in the original video I did, this side was giving me problems, but it wasn't as bad. This side, it was giving me some real problems. So it's much better. Again, hopefully I can insert a clip of the before. If not, go back, I'll link the other video. But this side had way more dark marks. You know, this is actually really getting better, and I really owe it to this product because I've been using it consistently. I believe it says to use nightly, but I use twice a day. I use when I wake up in the morning. It's on now, like you see the glow on my skin, it's on now. So I put on one capsule in the morning and one at night. And I really tell y'all, honestly, I wanted to do another review on this because, again, almost 98% of my videos at this point are not sponsored. I bought this stuff myself. I found this initial bottle in TJ Maxx on clearance. So like, it been through, I can't even see the price, but I know it was like about $3 to $4. So I was like, let me try it, because I was just desperate trying to find anything to clear up my skin, because I like makeup. I am a makeup girly, but I do like the feeling of my natural skin, but I still want it to look good. I want it to glow, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be feeling dry when I'm in my bare face. One of the biggest goals for me of this year, and sorry if I'm rambling, if you want to click off the video, go ahead, or if you want to skim through it, go ahead. But one of the things I've struggled with is self-love and self-worthiness, and I'm working on that in therapy this year. But I want to love myself naturally, right? I don't have anything on my skin today. All I have on is a little eyebrow, a little mascara, but nothing on my skin. And this is how I want it to be. I want to be comfortable with my natural bare skin. I don't want to have to put foundation, concealer, some type of tinted moisturizer. I don't want to have to do that. I want to feel good in my natural glow, and that's the goal. And so that's why I want to make this video again because this has worked for me. So I got the original bottle from TJ Maxx. Oops, shit. Shoot. Okay. All right, so I got this original bottle. It's not quite gone yet. I still have a few more capsules in here. It came with 90. But y'all, I love it so much. I went back to TJ Maxx and I went to Marshall's and I couldn't find another bottle. And so for anybody who's asked me which TJ Maxx or Marshall's I go to and it's not in your area because we don't live in the same place, you can find it on Amazon. I will link it. So I went and bought this whole new bottle. I haven't opened this one yet, but I love it so much that I knew this was, it's gonna be gone. I use 2 a day, so I only got like barely a week left or whatever. So I bought a new bottle. It's very cheap. It's very inexpensive, I would say. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video because I'm feeling so confident in my skin, and I think that's important. So anybody who's watching this, I think a lot of us, especially women, like, we want to look good, right? And I think the bigger thing is we want to feel good. So you can look good all day, but do you feel good about yourself? Do you love yourself? And that's something I struggle with. Some people think that I am attractive, but a lot of times I don't feel that way. I feel, I was talking to my therapist about this, but I just don't feel like my self-esteem can go down really easily depending on the room I'm in, or, sometimes I let people make me feel inferior, or I don't know what it is, but I'm working through it. And this year is my soft girl era. It's me working on trying to figure out how to live my life in the best way possible, in the most beautiful way possible. So all of my hair care stuff, my skin care stuff, like ways to de-stress, relaxation is so important this year. And I'm like doing good. I'm proud of myself. I'm happy. So if you have subscribed to my channel, if you've seen any of these videos of me talking about this, I hope that you are on your self-care journey, your self-love journey, because it doesn't stop. You could be good 1 month, but it doesn't stop. Like life is always going to throw us some obstacles, some stress, some anything can happen. Like, it's 2024. Inflation is real. Everything is expensive. We're adults. We have to live. We have to pay to live. Might have kids, jobs, all of these things. So I really want my content this year, at least the first half, to really focus on lifestyle changes and like really being intentional about what we do for ourselves, like how we take care of ourselves. Because I'm telling y'all, I've said this in previous videos, the world is crazy. And I think a lot of people, and I've seen this firsthand, I've seen people go crazy, I've seen people be miserable, and I don't want to be there. I'm not there. I'm good. Like, I'm not, in the closet crying or whatever, but I don't want to be there. So I think self-care, all of the stuff that I've been talking about on my channel, whether it's, and I know it's like products, right? But how do the products affect you? How do